Hey guys, so Sudesh here. So this is gonna be a different video. This is gonna be a storytelling video. I didn't thought I'll be making a sad video. So there was a Robo Soccer competition going to be held in our college, and shortly we failed in that competitions. We made a lot of mistakes. This was our first competitions as a team, so there was a learning curve to it. We made a lot of mistakes. Now, let me explain what Robo Soccer is. Basically, you have a striker bot, you have a goalie bot, and two teams will compete against each other. We can control the bots using manual or wired or wireless controllers. So we had to prepare two bots. My team got the intel of the Robo Soccer competition before 20 days. So me, Vinayak, and Advait formed a team. We started designing the project, and we came up with very creative solutions. Like for our striker, we planned to make it move like a diagonal crab walk. That's basically Hummer's EV car. So we planned to make that all, but there was many unfortunate situations. So when we presented the ideas to seniors, because we were gonna represent the club, okay, IEA Electronics Club, we were gonna represent that. So there were two teams, me and Vinayak, Advait, they are my friends, and a senior group. So basically, the conversation led, and the senior president liked both of our projects, and he said to merge our teams. Basically, IEI could fund only one team, so we merged our teams, and now we agreed to it. But later on, the seniors tried to take the striker bot, so our focus wasn't on the goalie much. So finally we got the goalie. Then okay, we thought let's build it, but we designed it and we were gonna make it like a tank, but it required some 3D printing parts, and we didn't have that much time left. So we went for a basic idea, but we made sure that it will be durable. Like even if a metal robot hit the car, it won't damage our body. So me and Advait went to city. We got stainless steel plates that was really thick, really durable. It was so strong that even cutting the cutout for the base, it was a pain in the ass. So after getting the parts, we assembled everything. We didn't sleep the whole day and night before the competition. We were working on it, and after we assembled everything, we got the motors. Okay, now this is RS555. This is basically the motors that are attached in my electric drill. So this was the body, this was the motors. Now we had to fix these motors using nut and bolts. So we needed 8 holes, extra holes to be fitted. Now the competition day was on Sunday. So the morning me and Advait ran outside. We got to a place, the aluminum store. We asked the guy to drill 8 holes in it. But just as soon as we reached there, the power went out, and we had to wait around an half an hour just doing nothing because waiting for power. We didn't know when the power was gonna come, and that was very unfortunate. We lost a lot of time. Then after we got the holes done, so now me and Adit were really desperate at the time. Like we didn't have much time. The competition was about to start at 3, and we didn't have much time. So looking at our desperation, that guy tried to rob us. He asked for $500 for freaking 8 holes, and uh, me and Adit basically said we were broke, and we got a discount of $200. So okay, now me and Adit came back to the college. We assembled everything back. We assembled the motors. We assembled the body. We assembled the wires. We soldered the wires again. After doing all that in just 15 minutes, we ran to the college. Now we had to fix the microcontrollers, code it, and debug it if anything was necessary. Now the issue was the striker bot, the main bot that was supposed to be made by our seniors, wasn't complete. Basically, it wasn't even started, I guess. Okay, so me and my team started working on it. We we had help from our juniors also, and we were working for like 3 hours on that bot, and we basically got it to work somehow. Now we lost all those time that we were supposed to work on our bot. We worked on their bot, so we lost the time. Now these four motors are 12 volts. Okay, now we needed a lot of power supply for that, so we went from battery to wired power supply. uh, the problem with it was we needed two adapters, two 12-volt adapters to power this thing. It worked, but scene was when we was trying to control it using the microcontroller, it was slow at the beginning. It wasn't getting the initial torque it required to move the body because of the lack of gear ratios. And we know we could have 3D printed it, but we didn't think of it. This was also a mistake. Then the bot was really slow at the beginning, but the motors were really powerful. So we know it has potential. We'll work on it. Then it started moving left and right. It started moving basically small stuff. But at the arena, when we reached the arena, our power adapter got burned up. We lost the power to our bot. So basically, our bot was out of the question. Now we thought we'll go 1v1. We asked the other team. So they had two bots, but one of their bot was also broken. So we got into 1v1. Now we at the last moment, like around 10 minutes was left for the match, and me, my team, my juniors, we all rushed to a cafe. We took the paths from this bot, we took the microcontroller, we took the RF controller, and we put all of them in the striker bot in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Now, after doing all that, making a mess at the cafe, we went again to the arena. So I was the one who was in charge of controlling the bot. Now, when we put the bot there, okay, it lost the connection at the beginning. So basically, it went in reverse and it went really fast to the other side, it hit the wall, and two of the wheels came off. Okay, that was freaking funny moment. Now, after that, we attached it because we still had some time left. Then, when I was controlling it, lost some connectivity. There was some connectivity issues. Uh, I wasn't touching the remote control, and the bot was spinning in circles. So everyone was cheering, thinking I was doing it to entertain them, but it wasn't the case. Then we fixed this. After that, the next round started. We basically came on the third because our enemy team got disqualified. So we came third. Now the one against us was a full body metal. He was an experienced guy. Okay, he came from Delhi or something. He was a really experienced guy. His bot was really powerful, and I knew it wasn't gonna work because that bot was really fragile. So just for the sake of fun, we thought we'll go ahead with the competition. Then when we were in the arena, I asked my junior to go and connect the power supply. Basically, you just had to took the connector. You have to put the plug in. Done. But this guy, okay, this guy ripped the wire off for some reason. The wire came into his hand, and we lost the power for that also. We asked for 5 minutes, and the referee was like, "No, it's not possible. The show is already delayed." So we got disqualified, and there were a lot of mistakes made by us. We procrastinated. We didn't design it well. There wasn't well. What do you say? Not good teamwork because it was our first time. We agreed to it, and then what happened? Power supply calculations was wrong. Gear ratio was missing. Body was little fragile. But we know we can do better, and we aren't quitting. We are gonna change that crowd laughs, to cheers and applaud. So see ya next time. Two more videos are coming. Uh, Stay with me. Bye bye.